Welcome to this video, the implementation guide for the WordLab spelling program. This video is intended to accompany the implementation guide found in the reference folders. There are a number of videos available on YouTube about WordLab. There are 3 preparatory videos. We suggest that you view this video before downloading WordLab, as well as the video called Organizing the Files. After downloading WordLab, we suggest you view this video again and the video called Getting Started. Before a school implements WordLab, there are a number of considerations that need to be made. What are the expectations for spelling and writing in people's draft form and the final form? What are the expectations for the mastery of spelling? What percentage correct is considered sufficient? How will mastery of spelling be ensured? Through consistency of teaching, through routines, through reteaching where necessary, through the enthusiasm displayed by the teacher, and through monitoring progress. And how will the results be monitored school-wide? Will the school systems currently in use be used for collecting and sharing data? And what will happen to the end of the year results? Do these need to be sent to the next teacher? How will parents be informed? Newsletter? Meetings? And will there be ongoing communication about the spelling program? I will now take you through the 7 steps of implementing the WordLab program. Step 1. Pre-testing and determining achievement bands. All pupils will need to be assessed using a suitable test. There are a number of tests available online at no cost. The South Australian Spelling Test, the Daniels-Dyack, the Schnell, and the Dolch. Schools may also wish to purchase the SSPA from the NZCER, the only spelling test with New Zealand norms. The results from the tests will be used to form 3 broad categories of pupils. The bulk will achieve what is currently required for that class level. A small number will achieve below and a small number will achieve above. Step 2. Preparing the student and teaching materials. All students will need an exercise book, and inside this exercise book will be pasted a copy of the hour word list they're responsible for learning and the weekly guide for students. We also suggest that teachers prepare an A4 copy of the teaching routines and weekly lesson plan, and these are displayed where they can be easily referenced during teaching. Step 3. Preparing your files for easy access, printing files, and we suggest you go to the YouTube video Getting Started. Teachers will need to print the word tiles for the particular year they're teaching, and these need to be displayed on the wall so that they're visible by all students. All the words are put up at the beginning of the year. Step 4. Practicing the teaching routines. We suggest that the teachers prepare their board as though a real lesson is about to take place and practice their lesson. The tile can be placed on the board and the chart can be projected onto the whiteboard. The teacher can then practice teaching a few R words and a few of the charts so they're familiar with the teaching sequences. Step 5. Review the weekly lesson plan. Teachers should familiarize themselves with all the content of the weekly lesson plan. They can then watch lesson demonstration videos at the Literacy Innovators website. There is a video of a Year 1 lesson, a video of a Year 5-6 lesson, and a video of a Year 7-8 lesson. Step 6. Proceed at a comfortable pace. Start with an explanation of how spelling will be different using WordLab. Teach R words until you are confident with the routine. Then add the teaching of the charts routine. And finally, the independent practice. Over the next few weeks, consolidate the classroom routines. Aim to have the class and yourself fully underway with WordLab by week 3 of implementation. Anytime after week 1, the assessment routines can be used. And finally, be prepared to really enjoy teaching spelling.